we must get connected to Earth. Earth is having a frequency. Its plasma sheath is having a frequency of 7.83 hertz. It's called as Schumann's resonance. It means that if we are getting a resonance with the Earth's frequency, we become more healthy. So I always tell to my patients, if you feel worried, if you feel stressed, go to garden, sit on a grass or sit anywhere in your home on the earth, because earth is having a gravity. It pulls down your sadness. It's like a earthing. All negativity is gone through the earthing. So we have to understand the power of earth. Earth is having so much tremendous power to heal us. How we can use that power? We must get connected with the nature. Nature never does hurry, but still everything is organized and everything is accomplished. In the same way, if we get resonance with the earth's frequency, then that resonance is a theta frequency. When we are in a theta frequency, then our mind is in a state of flow, that it is having a coherence. And when we are having a coherence, our health becomes very good. I always tell to all my patients, all the students, that don't get disconnected with the nature. We are doing some crimes against nature. We are cutting the woods. We are just burning the jungles. We are not using the things which we should take care. Like we are using the plastics which are not good for the ocean creatures. In order to get earth balance, we have to change our behaviors, and for that we must love our nature, and we must use the technology with the minimum like time, because screen time is actually creating a global warming, and it is having a very negative effect on our earth. So we have to take care of our earth, and for that, my dear friends, minimize the use of screen time, minimize the use of mobile phones, television, any electronic instruments. Don't take that electronic instrument on your bed, because that is not having a good effect on your brain. And you also, when you are sleeping, you are going in that circadian cycle, in the rhythm with the nature, and melatonin is created in our brain when we go to sleep. So if we are having a rhythm connected with the earth, then we are having a very deep sleep. Then our cortisol levels decreases, and we get highest energy in the morning, and that energy goes down in the evening. But if we are using too much electronic instruments, then our sleep gets postponed, and then our whole rhythm gets disturbed. Onset of sleep becomes a problem, then waking up becomes a problem, then in the afternoon we feel lazy, we feel procrastinated. So to avoid all these things, just get connected with nature. Nature gives you prana. Prana heals you, and that healing is so powerful that you won't imagine that how healthy you feel when you just bit slow down. You are when you are in a hurry, when you are in a stress, you are having a frequency of 13 to 20 or maybe 32 hertz. That's a beta frequency. Just slow down that frequency to match the frequency of earth, and that is 7.83. You can measure with the instruments, and once you try to slow down, you will find amazing things in your life which you are missing just because of hurry. So once Swami Paramhans went to New York, and he was going through car, and one person asked Swamiji, what do you think about the New York and New York people? He said, it's a heaven, but the people who are living here are not realizing it. So what's the use of that? He said so perfectly. He said the people in New York are in heaven, but they are not realizing it. So if they are not realizing it, heaven is also useless. But if you are realizing it, that any situation is like a heaven. So my dear friends, just slow down. Just connect with earth. Earth is Gaia. It's having a power, love, affection, so much potential. So down to earth, we say, and the sky is the limit. In the same way, we have to connect with the earth. Just try to plant some trees, create such an atmosphere in your home also that will connect you to the nature. So that will give you a real health power, and that will give you a peace of mind and a healthy mental health and a healthy body. So get connected with our earth.